This is by far the easiest way and most affordable way to display your lightsabers. And honestly, I think it looks the best. Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Carly if you are new here, and okay. Cool. Whether you're a hardcore collector with a vast array of sabers and you just want to find a way to display all of them, or if you're just starting out and you just want a cool way to display your lightsaber in your room, in your gaming setup, this is going to be a complete game changer for you. For so long, I've been trying to find a way to display my lightsabers, and I finally have found the perfect solution. I used to have these when I lived back in Florida, but now I'm in California and I want to figure out a way to display them in my new place. But needless to say, I've had these holding my lightsabers back in Florida since 2020. It's 2024 now. It's been just about 4 years and they have held these lightsabers on the wall until no tomorrow. These might not be the first things you think of when you think of Star Wars, but these are the command broom and mop holders. Hear me out. You can get one of these for under $10 and you can find them at Target, Walmart, Home Depot, Lowe's, Amazon, Costco. I saw these at Costco. You really can get them anywhere. Michael's, I've looked everywhere. Especially if you're renting or if you're living with your parents or just don't want to ruin your walls. These are made with command strips. So when you do want to take them off the wall, you can easily just pull one of the strips below it and it comes right off the wall. Very smooth. I need to figure out a place to put mine. I probably should have thought about that. I have an idea. We're walking over here. Yeah, I think one saber would look pretty good there. As I said before, the installation is super simple. All you're gonna need is a level, a pencil or a pen. I don't have a pencil, so I'm using a pen, and the broom holder. I'm gonna find where I want to do it. So I'm gonna do, let's do about here. I think this is good. Just made a small mark right there. You know, Star Wars should do like a little collab with Command and make these look like cool colors and galaxy and stuff. On the back of the broom holder, you'll see these two spots and you get these two little strips with it. All you have to do is take off the side that says Command, not the wall side. You're gonna attach this to the wall. I'm gonna take these off. I'm gonna do one at a time actually. And then you're gonna see where it kind of lines up. You wanna do it right here, as so. And you wanna make sure you have the strip showing at the bottom, so when you do wanna take it off the wall, you can just pull it down. Then we're just gonna do the same on the other side. Perfect. You wanna make sure it's nice and secure on there. And now I'm just gonna take these off. And then I'm just gonna line it up perfectly. And boom. I'm just gonna push on the wall pretty hard just to make sure it's secure, and then we're good. You may be wondering, they don't look too good. They're gonna be covered by the saber hilt. For this, I'm gonna use my Paragon hilt. Oh my God. From Imperial Workshop. Love this thing. It's beautiful and I wanna display it. You just have to make sure it's in this position, not this position when you put it in. And then boom. You have the easiest display of any lightsaber in the world. Are you ready? Boom. Are you kidding? Look how sick. So here we've got the beautiful Paragon hilt on display with the Command broom holder. Honestly, this looks very in-universe, if that makes sense. Like, yeah, it's used for mops, but I really like how it looks. It's really cool and it's really easy to do. I highly recommend it. I'm actually gonna try a different color just to see how it looks. So if you're looking for a super easy and very cost-effective way to display your lightsaber collection, then definitely look no further than the Command broomstick holders. They're super easy to install. I love them and they won't break the bank. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, night, wherever you are, and may the Force be with you always.